It just keeps going. It doesn't end. It's absolutely stunning in here. That's where we're headed, guys. Way back in there, and do a little bit of hiking, a little bit of photoing, and yeah, that's about it. So here we are, guys. We just got here. We're gonna start our hike. You can see there's my parts to my diesel and some of my gear here. It just dropped. Temperatures dropped as we came into this spot. We're at about 10 C now. From it was about 22-ish. And it's just dropped crazy, so I'm going to put a mid layer on. I carry a couple layers in here, and we're going to get out there. Hey guys, a few years ago I saw the biggest moose I've ever seen in my life. A huge bull moose in here, and it didn't even look real. It looked animated. It was so huge. And what else? You can see some larches up here. And let's see if I can get some good photos of those today as well. Guys, we're just coming in here. Like I said, the temperatures dropped pretty good. It's kind of weird. We've got blue skies and then we got clouds and it looks like it's going to rain. But anyway, we're coming up to a pretty good spot here. Again, the whole plan is to get some Instagram footage. I keep forgetting about posting on Instagram or whatever, and so my excuse is to get out and do some photography, which I love doing. Get out for an awesome hike into some cool spots and maybe get a few photos. Check this spot out. All right, guys, if you haven't got one of these or heard about these things are epic. This is called a Life Straw, and this is a filter system. Basically, you know, if you had to, you could live out of or drink gas station washroom water. This thing's absolutely amazing. Again, we don't really need to filter much here. This water is pretty darn clean. You can drink it as it is, but I use this a ton. and I left a link in the description if you want one. I get a couple bucks from it, or maybe 50 cents, I'm not sure. But these are a must-have if you're out hiking and doing your stuff. Hey guys, hopefully you can hear me. There's a ton of noise in here from all these annoying waterfalls. Just kidding. This knife has been awesome so far. It's so light compared to my ZT that I usually have. I've been wearing this guy for a while now, and I've sharpened it a couple times, and I've used it. Recently, I've been cutting rad hoses with it, which is probably not good. But again, I use this for everything. And now today I'm eating an apple and whatever else. It's been great. It's the Spyderco. As I'll leave a link in the description of this review, and it has been an amazing, light, awesome knife, and I'm loving this thing. It's really cool. Anyway, I just wanted to quickly go over that. I'll leave a link in the description, and you can check out my review on it. Again, very pleased with this. I don't even know I'm wearing it. It's so light. It's awesome. So again, we're just trying to get out and do some photography, do some Instagram photos, and basically, realistically, I just wanted to get out and do a hike, get a few kilometers in me, or 20. Anyway, I think we'll go down there and get some photos. These are juniper berries, I believe. So we've had about 3 different seasons here today we've gone through. So that's why I'm always carrying mid layers and different shells and crap, because the weather is crazy, man. You can easily change, have a 30-degree swing in temperature. So right now we're at about 10 degrees. Earlier we were about 25 C. So now right now we're about 10, which is about 50 Fahrenheit. And we're gonna get in here and just kind of hang around. 0 grizz so far. I don't know if you can hear me, but that looks like snow to me. It's starting. Temperature's dropping. Check the color of the water out. And that's, I don't know how deep that is. I'd say 15, 20 feet. And it's probably holding some giant cutthroat trout. 100%. So we had 2 grizzly bears attacks recently, like literally the same day I was in the one location. I was actually at right near the same spot. This guy was mauled by a sow. I guess he separated or got in between the 2 cubs by accident. I don't know if he was hiking or mountain biking or what. And he got chewed up pretty bad, but he had a satellite phone, an InReach, and used it, and they hauled him out of there. I guess he got airlifted. Another couple guys south of where I am right now, one of the guys was mauled. They were grouse hunting, and same deal. One guy got chewed up pretty bad. I believe he's still alive, and his buddy scared it off. I don't know if he whacked it with just grouse load, number whatever, 7s or whatever they're shooting for grouse down there, or if he had maybe some buckshot and a slug in case he ran into a grizz, because that grouse hunting in grizzly bear country can get interesting. Anyway, we haven't seen one yet today. Hopefully we will, and I'll get it on film here.